thank you everyone thank you for joining with us for the past 5 days, and it was a great experience connecting with you all on this FTP. Now it would be nice if a few of you can share your feedback on the sessions and on the FTP.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon,
Myself,
sir.
Bhavu Sahib Shinde from Rajiv Gandhi
Yes.
College of Engineering, Ahmednagar, Maharashtra. I have attended all the sessions in this 5-day faculty development program on machine learning algorithms for 5G mobile networks, that is ML5G, arranged in between October 4th to 8th of this month in 2021. Uh, I would like to share my views related to this particular workshop. So, in this workshop, I have got the knowledge of 5G mobile networks, then applications of ML algorithms, after that, artificial intelligence, then concurrent elimination and communication, VLC, cooperative communication, then error analysis of wireless system, network algorithm, followed by this aerial platform based on 5G FSO, then band full duplex for beyond 5G wireless communication, network algorithms, then machine learning algorithms, and overview of machine learning algorithms. So in that, on day one, in machine learning algorithm for wireless communication topic, Dr. Sai Dheeraj sir had given a great in-depth of this machine learning, and after that, Dr. Selvaraj sir had given a very nice overview of 5G mobile networks, and obviously, sir is a coordinator of this workshop. So I would like to thank especially to Dr. Selvaraj sir for arranging such a nice workshop. And I also know that sir is very active in the research field in wireless. So I am really grateful to him that sir had given a chance to all participants for attending this workshop by arranging this workshop through this AICT platform. Then after that, the error analysis of wireless system in session 3, it was also very nice, combiningly taken by Selvaraj sir and Kribakaran sir. Uh, then after that, overview of ML algorithms by Arunjit sir. Sir had given, uh, I think, two sessions, and both sessions are very interesting. Then followed by session of Dr. Selvaraj sir and Kirtana ma'am uh, on 5G network algorithms. This session was also very nice. After that, we have gone through numerous sessions, likewise artificial intelligence for visual surveillance and ML algorithms, then concurrent elimination by Mani ma'am, then spatial modulation by Maheshwaran sir, and cooperative communication by Ananta sir, and then yoga session, which was very enlightening and enlightened we all by knowing all the details, and got the importance of yoga, followed by aerial platform based session on 5G by Swaminathan sir, and after that Sudeep Biswas sir also given full duplex for beyond 5G wireless communication. In that topic, sir had given very nice in depths of this particular communication. So really, it was a very nice and fruitful FDP, and I am quite lucky that I have got this chance. So I would like to thank all the speakers and all the team members, and obviously Dr. Selvaraj sir and all the team members working for this workshop. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for sharing your feedback. If anyone else can also share the feedback, it would be nice.
Yeah, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon, first and foremost thing to all, and much gratitude, heartfelt gratitude to the organizers, because we understand that while conducting a workshop of 1 day, how much pain it requires. And this is Atal FDP of 5 days. So first and foremost thing, on behalf of we all the participants, sir, ma'am, please accept our deep sense of gratitude for enlightening us not only with 5G advanced systems, but machine learning usage in 5G. The thing which I found unique when I observed, when I was just scrolling down the FDP that was uh, shown on the Atal page, I was amazed that we generally observe image processing and augmented reality, virtual reality, all such type of applications-oriented computer science domain. But when machine learning and AI applications are dealt with wireless systems, right? Wireless communication systems and the 5G network, it's like a value addition. Like in the last session, in the full duplex for beyond 5G wireless communication by Professor Sudip Biswas, he very nicely explained how the data set, we generally say that a data set belongs to image, data set belongs to salary and this and that. But when we try to employ it with the base station positioning, optimization, it really gains momentum. So one thing I can say that it truly adds the flavor of 5G with the amalgamation of AI and machine learning to it, how the life has been made easier, that it is not just restricted to computer science or image processing or video processing like applications. It has been immensely applied in wireless networking. Thank you so much, coordinators, the organizers, once again from all of us. It was really wonderful. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. And anyone else?
Yes, good afternoon, all.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
It's actually such a fantastic training program happened in the entire week. So we should appreciate organizers. They have started the program on time. They have made schedule optimal, and the participants, the selection of participants were excellent. Excellent piece of participants. They have an enormous amount of knowledge within them, and also it is not like a theory, just a teaching theory. They have elaborated in detail on practical simulations, to MATLAB or other tools, so that which seems that the presenters or really experts in the respective domains. So I wish and congratulate all the presenters and participants, organizers, and also I welcome organizers to conduct and organize such a useful program in future also. And as a participants, we should not stop at this point. So whatever we have learned as a part of 5G technology, so everyone knows that this is not alone 5G technology. There are numerous concepts involved in it. And also, if possible, all the participants should visit the real-time testbed of 5G. So what are all the equipments required? And nowadays, even Wi-Fi access point devices from major manufacturers like TP-Link, D-Link, Cisco are coming out. In the all the Wi-Fi access points, there is a option like 2.5 Wi-Fi with 2.5G or Wi-Fi with 5G. So we can configure it. What is the bandwidth inbuilt in it? What is the data rate? That and all we can analyze practically. And recently, I have read an article that IIT Madras have launched a 5G testbed. They are welcoming industry partners for testing their designs. So, being academicians, we can also request IIT Madras for in-plant training or a one-day visit, so we can come to know what is happening in the real time. What are the devices connected? What is the range? What is the security aspect? And also, I would like to press this information that in future, in another 5 years, every human will be always interfaced with 10 to 15 devices, like our mobile phone interfaced with the headphone. Our watch will be interfaced with the headphone. Maybe in future our brain may be interfaced with some other devices in our home, or devices, physical devices available in a home may be always connected with our mobile. This is the future 5G technology. So with this, I conclude my vote of thanks. Again, I like to thank all the presenters. They were beautifully presented their skills, and I would like to thank organizers for organizing such a wonderful events, and participants. Without participants, the event is not possible. Thank you all. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Anyone else can share your feedback. It would be nice if you can share, because we need to upload the feedback to the Ethel portal. Can we get some feedback, if possible, from the participants? It would be nice if you can share 2 lines about the 5-day FTP.
Good afternoon, everyone. This
Good
is
afternoon,
Dr.
sir.
Hemant from VIT
Yes, sir.
University.
Is it possible to switch on your
Yeah,
camera?
yeah,
Thank
I've
you.
done.
Thank you.
Yeah, this is Dr. Hemant from VIT University. So the 5-day workshop was a really interesting workshop. The topic that was chosen, machine learning for 5G, is really the upcoming field. Right? Communication has been in research for many years, and bringing intelligence into the communication is the trend that we have, the upcoming trend. So it was really very useful workshop for all of us, including my research scholars. So I would really thank Dr. Selvaraj and his team for organizing such a wonderful workshop. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, and his team.
Can we get feedback from any other participants?
Can type and share, that also will get recorded. the chat box you can type. Okay, so if there are no other feedback, then I hope that you had a very fruitful 5 days. And your quiz marks, I just have to look into that. Just now quiz is over. I'll just look into the quiz mark and the attendance also. I need to compute. Already computed some of the things. I have to relook into that. So based on these both things, I will upload all the details in the Atal portal. And you also can give the feedback in the Atal portal. I think in the Atal portal also there is a feedback mechanism directly from the participants. So you can give your feedback in the Atal portal. That is good enough. So from the Atal, you will get the digital certificate.